Hi, welcome to my channel Yanam Takshasila. In this new video, I am going to solve a mathematical problem under the topic application of matrices and the determinants. So the problem is find the inverse of 1 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 3 minus 3, 6 minus 2 minus 1. So what they have given here, they have given a matrix and they are asking us to find the inverse of this matrix of order 3 cross 3. So for this we need to use the formula, that is A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. So for this, first you need to find the determinant of this matrix and then adjoint A to get the inverse of this matrix. So as I told you before, the step number 1, first you have to write the given matrix. So given A equal to, so write this matrix, that is 1 minus 1 1, 2 minus 3 minus 3, 6 minus 2 minus 1. Now we find the determinant. So determinant of A is determinant 1 minus 1 1, 2 minus 3 minus 3, 6 minus 2 minus 1. So here plus minus plus. So this is equal to 1 into. Now minor of 1, that is the determinant. Now you have to leave the elements which are, since 1 is in first row and first column, you have to leave those elements of first row and first column. So take the determinant of other elements, that is minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Then minus minus plus 1. Now since minus 1 is in first row and second column, you have to leave those elements of first row and second column. So what are the remaining elements? 2 minus 3, 6 minus 1. So 2 minus 3, 6 minus 1. Then plus 1. Now where is 1 here? 1 is in first row and third column. So you have to leave the elements of first row and third column. So what are the remaining elements? That is 2 minus 3, 6 minus 2. So for this you need to form a determinant 2 minus 3, 6 minus 2. So next step, you have to evaluate these determinants of order 2. So 1 into, now multiply these main diagonal elements first, minus 3 and minus 1 will get plus 3. Then minus 2 into minus 3 will get plus 6 and one more minus will be there, that is minus 6. Then plus 1. Now 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 6 into minus 3 minus 18, so it will become plus 18. Then here plus 1, now 2 into minus 2 will be minus 4. Now 6 into minus 3 will be minus 18, so one more minus will be there, so it will become plus 18. So this is equal to 1 into, now 3 minus 6 is minus 3, plus 1 into 18 minus 2 is 16, plus now 18 minus 4 is 14, so 14, so 1 into 14, so we will get minus 3 plus 16 plus 14. Now 16 plus 14 is 30. So 30 minus 3 is 27. So determinant of A is 27, which is not equal to 0. So therefore inverse of this matrix exists. So now we find the adjoint A. So for this, first you need to find the cofactor matrix. That means you need to find cofactors of all the elements. So cofactors. So first cofactor of 1. So cofactor of 1 is, now what is cofactor of 1? Since where is 1 is located? It is in first row and first column. You have to leave those elements. So here formula is minus 1 power. Now I plus j. I means what? Row position. J means column position. So here since 1 is in first row and first column, so I value is 1 and j value is 1. So 1 plus 1. Into minor of 1. So what is minor of 1? You have to leave the determinant of the other elements which are not in first row and first column. So what are those elements? That is minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Now evaluate this. So minus 1 power, 1 plus 1 is 2. Now minus 3 into minus 1, that is plus 3. Now minus 2 into minus 3, plus 6. So it will be minus 6. Now minus 1 power 2 means, since 2 is an even number, so we will get minus 1 power 2 is plus 1. So 1 into 3 minus 6 will get minus 3. Then cofactor of, so next one is cofactor of minus 1. Now where is minus 1 is located? Minus 1 is in first row, second column. So I value is, so minus 1 power, I value means that is the row position, that is 1, j value is 2. So 1 plus 2. Now into minor of minus 1. That means that is the determinant of the elements which are not in first row and second column. So what are those elements? 2, minus 3, 6 minus 1. So minus 1 power 1 plus 2 is 3. Now 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Now 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. So one more minus will be there, so it will be plus 18. So minus 1 cube. Now 3 is an odd number, so minus 1 power 3 is a minus 1. So minus 1 into 18 minus 2 is 16. So we will get minus 16. So next one is cofactor of, what is the number? 1. So what is the cofactor of 1? Where is 1 is located? It is in first row, third column. So I value is 1 and j value is 3. So 1 plus 3 into minor of this 1. Now minor of 1 is what? It is the determinant of the elements which are not in first row and third column. So what are those elements? 2 minus 3 and 6 minus 2. So we get minus 1 power 4. Now 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Now 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. So one more minus, so 18. Now minus 1 power 4. 4 is an even number. So we get plus 1. So 1 into 18 minus 4 is 14. So we get plus 14. Then cofactor of 2. So what is cofactor of 2? Where is 2 is located? 2 is in second row and first column. So I value is 2 and j value is 1. Now it's the minor of 2. So minor of 2 is what? It's the determinant of all elements which are not in second row and first column. So what are those elements? You have to take minus 1 and 1, then minus 2, minus 1. So this will be minus 1 power 3, 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, we will get plus 1, then minus 2 into 1, minus 2, so plus 2. So we will get minus 1 cube. Since 3 is an odd number, so we will get minus 1 into 1 plus 2 is 3. So we will get minus 3. So cofactor of 2 is this. So next you need to find cofactor of minus 3. So cofactor of minus 3. Now where is minus 3 is located? Minus 3 is in second row, second column. So that means minus 1 power. What is I value here? I value is 2 plus j value is 2. Now determinant of those elements which are not in second row and second column. What are those elements? 1, 1, then 6, minus 1. So this will be minus 1 power. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So minus 6. So you get minus 1 power 4. Since 4 is an even number, we will get 1. Plus 1, minus 7. So you get minus 7. Then cofactor of minus 3. So cofactor of minus 3. So minus 3 is located in second row and third column. So I value is here. What is I value? I value is 2, j value is 3. So 2 plus 3 into minor of minus 3. So minor of minus 3 is a determinant of elements which are not in second row and third column. So what are those elements? 1, minus 1, 6, minus 2. So minus 1 power 5. Now 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 6. So you get, now minus 1 power 5 is an odd number. So you get minus 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. So you get minus 4. Then cofactor of 6. Cofactor of 6. So where is 6 located? 6 is located in third row and first column. So here I value is 3 plus j value is 1 into minor of 6. That means it's a determinant of elements which are not in third row and first column. So what are those elements? Minus 1, 1, minus 3, minus 3. So you get minus 1 power 4. Now minus 1 to minus 3 plus 3 minus, so this will be plus 3. So this you will get minus 1 power 4. That means 4 is an even number, you will get 1, 3 plus 3 is 6. So you will get 6. And then next cofactor of minus 2. So cofactor of minus 2. So where is minus 2 is located? Minus 2 is located in third row and second column. So minus 1 power. What is I here? I value is 3 plus 2 into minor of minus 2. That means it is a determinant of elements which are not in third row and second column. So third row and second column. So what are those elements? 1, 1, 2, minus 3. Now minus 1 power 5. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. So minus 2. So you get minus 1 power 5 is minus 1, minus 5. So you get plus 5. So cofactor of minus 2 is over. Then cofactor of minus 1. So cofactor of minus 1. So where is minus 1 is here, minus was in third row and third column. So we get minus 1 power 3 plus 3 into minor of minus 1. That means it is a determinant of the elements which are not in third row and third column. So what are those elements? 1, minus 1, 2, minus 3. So we get minus 1 power 6. Now 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 plus 2. So this will be cofactor of minus 1 is, so we get minus 1 power 6 is an even number, so we get plus 1 into minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, so we get minus 1. So now you can form a cofactor matrix. So what is cofactor matrix? So cofactor matrix is, so you can form a cofactor matrix. So what is the cofactor matrix? First element cofactor of 1 is, here is that is minus 3. So cofactor of 1 is minus 3. Then cofactor of minus 1 is minus 16. Then cofactor of 1 is 14. Then cofactor of 2 is minus 3. Then cofactor of minus 3 is minus 7. Then cofactor of minus 3 is minus 4. Then cofactor of 6 is 6. Cofactor of minus 2 is 5. Cofactor of minus 1 is minus 1. Now what is, then from this you need to find adjoint. So how to get adjoint? That is transpose this. So adjoint of this matrix will be, change first row into first column. So you get first row is what? Minus 3, minus 16, 14. So you get minus 3, minus 16, 14. Then second row into second column. So minus 3, minus 7, minus 4. Third row into third column. So 6, 5, minus 1. So you got adjoint A. Now what is inverse? You need to find the inverse. So we know that, use this formula, that is A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. So A inverse is, now what is determinant of A we got? That is 27. So 1 by 27, adjoint A is, just write this matrix, that is minus 3, 6, minus 16, minus 7, 5. Then 14, minus 4, minus 1. So this is how we solve the inverse of this matrix. Now if you want to solve more problems of this kind, I have given a link in the description. Please click on that link. And this video is mostly useful for polytechnic and engineering students. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel Yanam Takshashila for further updates. Thank you for watching my video.